Welcome to my channel, guys. The name of the channel is Tindog Israel Me. My name is Darzeljan C. Tendog. Let's try this pasta food. This is a Grahams, and this is a Santos, and this is a Brazos. Look, it's a yummy. Let's try the Grahams. It's yummy or not? Let's try, guys.
For your information, guys, I made this Graham.
It's cool, guys. It's cool. Let's try the brass. Wait, I want to try again.
For your information, I made this Graham.
Do you want to buy this? I'm gonna sell. It's from 30 pesos. The Grahams is, oh, I don't like 30 pesos. I like the Grahams is 15 pesos. This is a 15 pesos. The bigger one is 30. It's yummy, guys. The flavor is pasta. Yummy. We go to America. I buy in America with my mom and my sister. 2 sisters, 1 mom. That's I have a parents. Let's do 2. Amka. Let's try the Brazos. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay, wait. Wait. Guys, I'm drinking water. This is a Coke. Oh, this is a blue. This is not a Coke. We buy to sell. The blue is in Philippines. We buy in Philippines. Sa blue. Black blue. It's like a Coke.